let's learn some alphabets and words. M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango is a fruit. N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest. N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest. O for orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange. O for orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange. N for nest, O for orange. This is P, P for peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. This is peacock. P for peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Peacock is a bird. Q, Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q for queen, Q-U-E-N, queen. R for robot, R-O-B-O-T, robot. R for robot, R-O-B-O-T, robot. S, S for sheep, S for sheep, S-H-I-P, sheep. S for sheep, S-H-I-P, sheep. T, this is T. T for tap, T-A-P, tap. T for tap. T for tap, T-A-P, tap. M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest. N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest. O for orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange. O for orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange. P for peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P for peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R for robot, R-O-B-O-T, robot. R for robot, R-O-B-O-T, robot. S for ship, S-H-I-P, ship. S for ship, S-H-I-P, ship. T for tap, T-A-P, tap. T for tap, T-A-P, tap. This is tap. M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest. O for orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange. P for peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R for robot, R-O-B-O-T, robot. S for ship, S-H-I-P, ship. T for tap, T-A-P, tap. M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for robot, S for sheep, T for tap. M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest. O for orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange. P for peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R for robot, R-O-B-O-T, robot. S for ship, S-H-I-P, ship. T for tap, T-A-P, tap. So M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for robot, S for ship, T for tap. Here are some alphabets and words. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.